So this started a little bit of buzz yesterday. Added March 6th, 2026, coming soon. Now this is for the Steam machine, right? And the headset. So the Steam headset and the Steam machine both have a coming soon tag on them over there on Steam, which this was very exciting because obviously this is coming out sometime this year, according to Valve. And you can see this is the change list here of all the other stuff that was changed over the time period. Which so exciting. I still don't know what the price tag is going to be of the Steam machine. I'm guessing in the neighborhood of like $800, $900 just because of the rising price of the RAM. I just still have this weird feeling, and I might be crazy here, I have this weird feeling that they're going to somehow be able to make this somewhat affordable. I know there's possibilities it could be up to like $1,200, $1,500. I just don't think they're going to be able to sell them and move units at that price tag. Now, I don't think this is going to be like a whole, PS3 situation where Valve's going to lose so much money, right, and be able to still sell the unit. The reason why the PS3 was able to do that and be successful was because they make more money back on games, and they also make more money back on accessories. That's not the case with Steam, right? Steam's not out here making bank off of, their games and accessories, so they can't take a loss for selling consoles like PS3 could back in the day when they were going against Xbox. So, because of that, it's going to be interesting. It's going to be interesting. And then we got this. Shout out to Mr. Getting Things Done. I'll leave a link down below in the description. All these posts, as always. I always do that in all my videos. Whenever I show something off, I like to give credit for that person. But the Steam mobile app on the this is not the Play Store. This is the App Store. It says, what's new? Improvements to Steam Frame, Bluetooth scanning, and reliability. And Steam Frame is their headset. So, this is awesome. This is awesome. This probably means it's coming out within the next 3 months. Because just because it says coming soon doesn't mean it's going to happen anytime within the next week or so. But still, we have a little bit of a gearing toward it coming out sooner than later. Which, there was a lot of people speculating that this thing was just going to get delayed indefinitely because of the fact of RAM prices going crazy and PC prices in general, right, going crazy. That Valve was just going to have to keep delaying this. But might not be the case. So hopefully we're looking at a, somewhat recent type situation. And by the way, this is the actual post here. It says, no user reviews, coming soon. Just added coming soon too. Shout out to Andrew Fox for posting this. And then shout out to this guy right here for posting this right here. So, a Fresh Phoenix once say, $200 DM fee for a spam and artist asking to get commission. Shout out to them. So I'll leave a link down below in the description to all these posts. But I'm excited, man. I'm going to buy the Steam machine, bro. I'm going to buy the Steam machine. Is it the smartest thing? Probably not. I'm going to, though. I'm excited for it. So, yeah. See you guys next one.